Welcome back. Few petrol pumps in North Goa went dry on Monday morning due to unavailability of fuel stock. This shortage was felt more in Porvorim, Panji and Mapsa. Ship tanker carrying petrol is said to have reached late at Vasco depot, thus causing a severe petrol shortage. However, by Monday evening, petrol stock was streamlined at petrol stations.
Have a look at these visuals. Many people are returning back as there is no petrol at the stations. Shortage was felt more in some major towns of North Goa. In Mapsa, few petrol pumps went dry, so as in Porvorim. In Panji, 2 long queues were seen at remaining petrol pumps. At some places, normal petrol was not available and instead people were compelled to fill speed petrol. Shortage was mainly felt at Bharat Petroleum and Hindustan Petroleum. Sources say both these companies have a single depot in Vasco. Ship tanker carrying petrol reached late on Sunday. These tankers come to Goa either from Gujarat or Mumbai or other places. Sources said the concerned ship remained in sea for quite a long time and it only arrived on Sunday. But due to this late arrival of tanker, commuters had to suffer a lot.
प्रॉब्लम कितें आमकां हे क्लोजस्ट पेट्रोल पंप म्हणटच आमी हांगाच येता न्हू आनी पेट्रोल नासलेल्यान आमची सगळी आमकां त्रास जाता आतां आमकां दुसरें म्हणल्यार पणजे ना किंवा म्हापशा येवचें पडलें ते आमकां पयस पडटात ते वचपाकूच आतांचे म्हारगायेन अर्द लिटर पेट्रोल खर्चावचो पडटा थंय पावपाक.
By Monday evening, stocks were normalized at petrol stations. Tankers carrying petrol reached these stations, bringing relief to the commuters.
Shortage of petrol on Monday morning is one of the rare events to have happened in many parts of North Goa. It is still not clear whether the late arrival of the ship was due to heavy rain or stormy weather. But for common men, this incident was not less than a nightmare. With video journalist Omkar Farari, Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
A bear attacked a farmer in Narke Khotigaon village in Kankorn on Sunday. He is left with bite marks on his leg. He was referred to Hospicio Hospital later.
Suresh Gaukar, aged 28, a farmer of Narke Khotigaon at Kankorn, was attacked by a bear. Suresh saved his life by using koita which he was carrying with him. Here Suresh shared his unforgettable experience with us.
थंयच्यान धांवट तो पयचे मारले तूं तेका
पयचे लागले ताका लागल्याशिवाय दिसता तुका पयचे आसल्यान तुगेल्या मागीर धांवले ते धांवले
पूण त्या जाग्यार तुका अशें पयलीं दिसतालें दिसना तेणें बैलां खातीर बैलांचेर बी उडी मारलेली काय तुजेरच जावन उडी मारली तुज्या फाटल्यान धांवट येयलें.
He called for the help and locals shifted him to Kankorn Government Hospital. Later he was shifted to Hospicio. Our reporter from Kankorn, Babesh Borkar.
Kamakshi Bullion Private Limited, a stockist for Minerals and Metal Trading Corporation, inaugurated their showroom at Margaon on Monday. This is an exclusive showroom fascinating silver and gold medallion.
Marketing Director of MMTC Limited, Sunil Khurana, inaugurated the showroom. Assis Sequeira, General Manager of MMTC Goa, Rekha Raikar, Director of Kamakshi Bullion Private Limited, Anthony Fernandez and others were present at the inaugural function. Minerals and Metals Trading Corporation is a Government of India enterprise. Assis Sequeira highlighted features of their products.
The focus of our products is purity. We assure the purity, whatever is put, it is hallmark. Maybe the medallions, when we say it is 999 purity, there is no tolerance. It has zero tolerance both for weight as well as quality. So all of you can be rest assured that when you buy the MMTC medallion, when we say it is 10 grams of 999, it has to be 10 grams or more. It can never be less.
Director of Kamakshi Bullion Private Limited, Anthony Fernandez, says this showroom will benefit Madgokars.
Company right from South Goa to North Goa, and definitely with his assurance what he gave me on the stage that he will be giving out all the support and help that we require in making this franchisee a great success, and the people of Margaon will benefit from this franchisee.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
KTCL has agreed to restart the 10 interstate routes that were discontinued since 1st of July. This decision came after ITUC-led KTC Drivers and Allied Employees Association met the management to oppose the decision. The corporation has decided to restart the routes from Tuesday itself.
It was a sweet victory for the KTC Drivers and Allied Employees Association. They, along with ITUC, met the KTCL's management on Monday. The employees had opposed KTCL's decision to discontinue its service on 10 routes. After the meeting, Managing Director of the corporation, Venancio Furtado, assured the workers that they would restart the services from Tuesday.
Discussion जाले, discussion उपरांत एमडीन सांगला फाल्या आपण रूट चालू करतलो, इंटरस्टेट रूट चालू करतलो अशें म्हणून सांगलेलें आसा. त्याच बरोबर ताणें म्हणलां I will fix some targets. आमी सांगले अवश्य we don't mind. टार्गेट सेटअप कर, कितें तुका कितें कमाई जावपाक जाय, कित्याक टार्गेट तर तूं सेटअप करता, इट हॅज टू बी रिजनेबल. ऑफ सीजन, सीजन कितें आहा जाल्यार 2 वर्सांची कमाई काडात, पळयात आनी कितें प्लस मायनस घालून टार्गेट घालात. वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ एनी टार्गेट.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.